Sure. Summer's coming, and a lot of people like to come and go to the beach. And so, some of the very basic things are number one, wear sunscreen. I know that's a hard thing for people to think, oh, well, aren't you worried about things even more serious than that? And I go, sure, we are. But that is one of the big things that we see happen to most people, getting sunburn and having sun-related injury. It not only damages your skin for the short term, it can actually cause problems in the long term and can cause skin cancer. So that's why it's very important to wear sunscreen. For heat-related injuries, we live in a hot place, right? Everybody knows this. And so you've got to keep cool. You've got to keep very well hydrated. So if people are exercising outside, make sure you're drinking a lot. If you're outside, you should be drinking enough that you pee about every hour. So that's a lot of water, particularly if you're exercising or if you're working and you're sweating a lot. Wear a hat. That's one of the big things that a lot of people don't want to do or don't even think about it, but that really can help protect you from heat-related injuries. If we have a period where we have power outages and people have loss of air conditioning, there are various places where we set up cooling centers where people can go and cool down and get away from the heat. But that's typically done only in an emergency. People ask about mosquito-borne illnesses. That's always a concern. We were worried about Zika, worried about things like West Nile. These are viruses that are spread by mosquitoes. Generally, that hasn't been a huge problem for us here in Galveston County. In Texas, up in Dallas is where they end up having a lot more of these types of things. But we do monitor these things very quickly, and it's important to wear mosquito repellent when you're going to be outside, particularly at dawn and dusk hours. Wear long sleeves. People don't like to do that. It's hot out, but there's plenty of clothing that breathes very well that can help protect your skin. And just be cognizant of the mosquitoes so you don't get bitten.